Today we'll try to explore one more new topic. So this is under the document understanding. Let me go to this input file. So this is my input file. So multi-page extraction. So in this PDF, I have the data, so which expands the two pages. So when you observe here, I have the sample data, which half of the table is available on the page one, and another half of the data is available on the page two. So now how we can extract this entire the table at once with the help of UiPath in document understanding package. So let me go back to the UiPath studio and I need to go to this taxonomy. So let me open this taxonomy manager. Okay, and here I need to extract this one. So let me delete this one and I will recreate. So let me add the field and I will make it as multi-page table. Okay, you can mention whatever it may be. You can. So and I will need to take this table. So let me click on that save and I want to open this multi-page. I need to see this headers. So I have segment, product, and country. So let me update these things. Segment and the field type is text and next one is product and final one is country. So this is what the product I'm updating and the final one is country. Okay, let me click. Okay, I have updated what I need the required details, so I have updated. So let me close this and I want to change this path in the variable panel. So all the things taxonomy and digitization, classification document, data extraction, and whatever the details I have now, I mean the steps I have already built this. So if you want to see from the steps, so please try to observe my past videos are there. So please go and check that. So you will get idea on that. So as of now, I have designed everything. Now I'm updating this variable in the paths. I need to update the file path. So this is my multi-page extraction PDF. It is done. Okay, now I need to go to this manage learning. So here I need to update the data. So I have updated these things. So PDF data one, and this is a my data. Okay, and go to configure and enable this one. So right now I'm working on the PDF data. So I need to check this one. If you not check, so it will won't get this data. Now we need to go to this taxonomy, sorry, data extraction. So generally what happened here, it's having the another table, I mean another variable. So here it's having the classification results of zero. So let me keep right now as it is, and I will tell you what why I'm using different one here. Let it be as of now it's done, and I need to go to manage templates. So let me clear this data, and I want to pick this file. So this is PDF data and multi-page table. So you can keep whatever it may be name, and I need to take this multi-page extraction. So this is my file and you can go with the any OS here. So its flexibility depends upon you. And once it is done, just click on the configure and it will take a couple of seconds to load the document. And if you want, you can read this instruction, how we can do that things. Okay, as of now, I will just click on this OK. And the first page matching info. So I want to add. So if you observe here, I have the page one match info and page two match info. I think if you have multiple pages, it will give this info like that. So right now we need to update this page info. So I will take a couple of the things. So every time this should be the more than five. Okay, I taken multiple more than that is enough. So now I'm adding this. Okay, and after this multiple table. So this is my table. So in this I need to extract this table. So let me zoom out this one first of all. So you can use shortcut key or you can use mouse, anything is fine. And go to this three dot icon and extract as new table and drag and drop. So select which data you require. So once you select this, so I'm able to see this fields. So segment, and this is for the product and this for the country. Okay, just click save. Okay, now let me click this again and you can see this all fetch data tables done. Just click save and close. So if you observe here, it got highlighted, but still downside it's not highlighted. We'll do that next one. So just be patient. So we'll do that as well. So just click on that submit and continue and save. So I have created table, it's fine. So just click on that close. Now I'm running this one. So when I run this, so I want to see whether I'm getting the error or it might be extracted that particular data. So first we need to observe that thing. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and share our channel. So who are interested with the learning of the UiPath. and don't forget the comments on the comment section. So right now, if you observe, I got this error. So this saying that index was outside boundary of the array. So right now we have the two pages, but we give this only the zero. So that's why it's got error. Okay, now I want this document type ID. So if you want the document ID, so just go to this project and you can expand this document processing and go to this keyword JSON and you can find out this document ID is there. So as of now, my document ID is which one PDF extraction. So just copy this data, okay, and close this. This JSON file is not required and go to here and update. So once you update, it's giving some error. So because it should be either any one of this. So either it should be classification results or it may be the document type. So document type is working. So classification result is not working. So just remove that. Okay, it's not done. So now I'm just running this one. I want to see whether data is exporting the whole table or it will extract it only the first table. So just we need to observe the first step. And it's got running and it will open the present validation station as well. So go and check. So if you see here, it got extracted 100%, but it not extracted the downside part. Okay, if you observe the downside part, it's not extracted. Just click save and close. Okay, and check this data set. Result set dot tables of, I think it should come on the one. Okay, not one, it's maybe on the two. Okay, only expertise 5 till it's not extracted, but after that it's not extracted. So we got clear that so it's not extracted. Now just go to this again, the manage template, and just click on this pencil icon and go to downside. Okay, and select this table and scroll down a little bit and zoom out the thing. Okay, little bit scroll down. And now go to this second, third, three icons. So you can go anywhere of this is fine. So right now I'm going to the first one and extracted rows from here. So select this and drag and drop. So whatever the table downside, you can still drag it and segment. And this is for the product and this is for the country and add rows. So what will happen? It will downside add this rows as well. Okay, just click on save and close. So click on submit. So while submitting, if you got any errors, so it's saying, so page one match info is completed, but page two match info is missing. So for that, just select any file from here. So when you go to real-time PDF files, it having some data which is available in the page one and page two as well. So right now I don't have like that now, so that's why I'm fetching this data like this. So let me update. This also should be the more than five. So I hope I selected here more than five and just add it here. Okay, and click on it submit. Close this one and I'm running this part. So now I want to see whether data has been extracted or not. So we have to wait for a couple of seconds to execute this. To execution this. Let me click on this continue and we can see this here. Let me scroll down and you can see this all the data has been fetched. So just click on the submit and continue and save. Now I will check here. So data, let me remove this thing and I will update comparison. And you can see this small business, everything is done. So now let me step into here and now I will stop this part because I don't have data table set for. So if I run that, anyway, it will throw this error. So it's don't have this boundaries with that code. So I'm stopping this part and going to the output. So where I save this output means, let me check this multi table.xlx. Okay, here multi table.xlx. And I went here and you can see this data. So already I have some data. So let me remove this data and we can see it here. Let me check. So you can see here all the data has been fetched and forget about the segment government one. It's something haven't. So having the both mixed. So whatever the data is there now till it got extracted. This is one of the method which I can did. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.